Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel Gordon and welcome to The Health Perspective, my new YouTube channel. Now, I'm going to admit here that this isn't natural for me at all. I'd never planned to start my own YouTube channel. But over the past few months, I've been getting more and more requests from my patients and also from my social media followers to share my unique approach to health discussions with a wider audience. Because the truth is, there is too much health information out there. Some of it is helpful, most of it is confusing, and lots of it is just polarizing. And my experience as a doctor is that all this health information isn't actually making people feel healthier. It's leaving people feel anxious and stuck. And so, in my experience, true health and well-being isn't about measuring your daily metrics, taking the latest supplement, or even the latest diet fad. It's about the narratives we create and tell ourselves around our health and well-being, and the pivotal sticking points we face in our health journeys. We're going to steer away from simply listing off facts or promoting single magic bullet solutions. Instead, we're going to have meaningful conversations about our health, the pressures, the fears, the triumphs, the setbacks. The goal here is not to tell you what to do, and I'm not going to give you much specific information, but to help you understand how you think about your health and hopefully improve your ability to make confident and balanced decisions about your own well-being. And one of the things that drives me mad is that most channels nowadays are so polarizing that it's actually causing people more distress. It's either take medication for everything, or more commonly nowadays, you need to fix everything through lifestyle alone. The truth is that where I see my patients make their biggest wins is in the space between those two poles, with a consistent, measured approach. So, every episode that I do, I'm going to try and focus on a pivotal key discussion, a question that might be weighing on my mind or on your mind, or that lots of people are asking me at the moment. And I'm going to try and unpack it in an empathic way using stories, analogies, thoughts, concepts that make even the trickiest discussions feel more accessible. And we're also going to try and break down stigma while we do it. Ultimately, we need to bring compassion and respect into these conversations so that you feel empowered and not judged. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed by conflicting health advice, or you're just looking for a more human way to think about your health, then join me on the journey. I'm not asking for anything here. There's no big sales pitch, no clickbait, no buy my course. The aim is simply to bring my experience and those intimate conversations I have with my patients in their consultations to a wider audience. My one ask is that you help me learn from this experience by providing feedback, as that's the only way I'm going to know whether it's really helping people or not. So when you finish this video or one of my other videos, if you want to hear more from me, hit subscribe. You can always unsubscribe later if you don't like what you hear. I'm looking forward to starting the journey with you. See you next time.